Hello, this is Alfred's Basic Piano Library, Lesson Book 1A, and we're looking at page 41, a piece called Rock Song. So for this one we need to find C position. Is our middle C. So we need to put our thumb of our right hand there. For C, first finger, D, second finger, E, third finger, F, fourth finger, and G, fifth finger. With the left hand, we're going to mimic exactly the same notes, C, D, E, F, G, with our left hand. But remember, our hands are a mirror image of each other, so we need to make sure that we're thinking in the opposite finger numbers as well. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Now, from the beginning, we have this tune, starting with our right hand. Shh. Shh. And then we'd repeat. Okay, let's do that slowly together. If you play along with the video, and I'll count you in after 4. 1, starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Excellent. Now we're going to do it with a metronome just to help, okay? Slightly faster than what we did before. Okay, so after 4, let's play it twice through, being really steadily in time with that beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now let's play it without me showing you, and I will play the teacher's accompaniment. After 4, I'll give you 2 lots of 4 in, just because I'm nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. Off you go.